Hi everyone, I'm going to get you started on making your Goodreads account. First thing I want you to do is pause this and go to www.goodreads.com. Okay, once you're there, you're going to sign in with your school email address, not with Facebook or Amazon, please. Create a password you will remember. So this can be your school email password or just something simple enough that you're not going to forget it every time you sign out. Do that, please. You can pause this. Once you're all logged in, it's going to ask you to do a series of things. First, it's going to ask you to find friends. Please skip this part for now. You can add them later manually through email by inviting them to be your friend. That will be cool because you can get recommendations from each other. That's why it's cool to have a lot of friends on there. It will then ask you to set a book goal for 2018. You should put your try one book goal in there. That should be in your folder. I handed it back to you the other day. I would even shoot for a little higher than what you wrote on your book goal just because trimester 1 gets over before the end of 2018. When you're done with that, it will ask you to rate books. You need to rate 20 of them in order to get recommendations. And then it will show you what recommendations it came up with if you were able to rate those 20. Now, if I go to my Goodreads account, this is what it looks like after you've done all of those steps. Over here, you can see my book over here, like my book challenge. Over here, what am I reading? I could type in, I'm reading Beartown right now. Okay, it's right here. I can see this recommendation. I've rated it 4 stars so far because I'm a little over halfway through. If I go to my books, these are all books that I have rated that I have read. As you can see my 5-star, my 4-star. You can take note of any of these and see if you want to check them out from our library. This is one I want to read. I marked it to read. When I search a book here, for example, I really want to read The Hate U Give. I'm going to click this button, want to read, so then it's going to save on my books, and it's going to show to read. So it's a cool way to keep track of things you want to read and things that you have read, and I'm going to be using this when I have conversations with you during our reading conferences. Over here, you can explore these different things. It says I've read 21 books, currently reading 0, so maybe I could select one I'm currently reading. And I could get this set up if I wanted to. I have 5 on my want to read list already. These are books I would like to read. This one just became a movie that I really wanted to see, but I wanted to read the book first. And then once you have your account all set up, I just want you to click around and see what you can explore through here. Okay? If you have any questions, please ask me.